Hey guys, Mike Falk here with Fresh Air Heating and Cooling. A common problem we run into in the summertime is you'll have ice accumulate on the outdoor suction line is what we call it. And if you look down inside, the whole inside the unit is iced up. I'd recommend turning the system off, allowing everything to thaw out. Call your heating and air service technician. If you don't have one, give us a call, 910-367-1013. Look us up online at ncfreshair.com or find us on Facebook.